Hello, this is Russell, General Manager at AcroMat, and I'm back to bust another myth about custom anti-fatigue mats. And myth number 4 is that custom anti-fatigue mats don't allow for layout changes. And this is a very common one, and we can completely understand where you're coming from here. So if you're considering a custom mat, you might be hung up on the what if the layout changes, what if the engineers have a new idea, what if we need a new piece of equipment, what if we just decide to change around the work area, and you may be thinking that a custom mat won't allow you to do that. You're kind of locked into that space. Well, with the AcroMat custom anti-fatigue mats combined with the repair kit, that is designed to accommodate layout changes. So if you have a change down the road, you can certainly make the change to the mat, and you're only having to invest in the difference between the old mat and the new mat, whether that be adding a piece on, making a cutout, or adding a yellow border at some part of it. So completely doable and easy to do with the repair kit, and very affordable as well. You may be considering something like a tile system, thinking that that would be much more appropriate for layout changes down the road, and certainly it can be in some cases. With a tile system, just keep in mind that it's a lot of time and effort to reconfigure, and oftentimes those tiles are not able to be reconnected due to wear and tear, damage, whatever that might look like. So there's often a new investment needed in tiles anyway, as well as the time and labor to make those changes. So don't be put off about the layout change question. It comes up often, but no, with AcroMat custom anti-fatigue mats, they are designed to accommodate layout changes in the future. Last point on this topic is that in our experience is often a much bigger thing ahead of the purchase, the concept of a potential layout change, but in reality, they don't very often happen. Obviously, once a work area is set up and running well, there's got to be a good reason to change it. So the fact is that layout changes don't happen maybe as often as you might think. So hopefully that helps. Myth number 4 about layout changes, custom mats certainly can accommodate those as they come up. Have a good day. We'll see you next time.